Thank you for joining us for today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we delve into the critical preparatory phase of bringing a medical device to market, pre-market requirements and submissions. This stage is foundational, as the quality and thoroughness of your documentation directly impact the speed and success of your market entry. At the core of every regulatory submission is the technical documentation, often called a technical file for CE marking in Europe or a design dossier. This comprehensive file is the evidence that your device is safe, performs as intended, and complies with all applicable regulations. Key components include a detailed device description with its intended purpose, specifications, and variants. You must also include extensive information on design and manufacturing processes, covering everything from raw materials to the final production and quality control procedures. A cornerstone of this documentation is the demonstration of conformity to the General Safety and Performance Requirements, or GSPRs, which replace the essential requirements under the new EU Medical Device Regulation, MDR. Navigating the different submission formats is crucial. For the European market, a CE mark is obtained by compiling the technical documentation and, for most devices, having it reviewed by a notified body. The new MDR has significantly increased the level of scrutiny and clinical evidence required. For the United States, the two primary pathways are the 510(k) pre-market notification and the pre-market approval, or PMA. A 510(k) demonstrates that a device is substantially equivalent to a legally marketed predicate device, while a PMA is required for high-risk, Class 3 devices and demands extensive clinical data to prove safety and effectiveness. Understanding device grouping principles is also essential for an efficient submission strategy. Regulators often allow manufacturers to group similar devices into a single submission based on shared characteristics like intended use and technology. This can save significant time and resources. Creating a master technical dossier that can be adapted for different jurisdictions is a highly effective strategy. This core dossier contains all essential information, which is then customized to meet the specific dossier formats and requirements of each target market, whether it's the IMDRF table of contents format or a country-specific structure. A successful submission hinges on robust clinical evidence and a proactive risk management process. Your clinical evaluation report must be thorough, drawing from clinical investigations, literature reviews, and post-market surveillance data from similar devices. Likewise, your risk management file, compliant with ISO 1471, must document a comprehensive analysis of all potential risks throughout the device's lifecycle and the measures taken to mitigate them. By meticulously preparing these documents, you not only meet regulatory obligations, but also build a strong case for your device's value and safety. If navigating the complexities of global market access feels overwhelming, Pure Global is here to help. Our experts can guide you through every step of the process. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.